Imagine the king of off-road trucks making a comeback, a monster so powerful it shook Ford to its core. Before we dive in, tap that like button, subscribe, and let's break this down. When the 702 horsepower Ram 1500 TRX first hit the scene back in 2021, it instantly crushed Ford's F-150 Raptor, stealing the crown as the wildest off-road pickup you could buy. But Ford wasn't going to let that slide. They answered with the F-150 Raptor R, a 700 horsepower beast that upped the ante to 720 horses. Just as Ram was gearing up for revenge, disaster struck. The Hellcat-powered V8 was killed off, and with it, the TRX went extinct, replaced by the tamer Ram 1500 RHO. Here's where it gets juicy. The very guy blamed for killing the V8? He's gone. And in his place, Tim Kuniskis, an 8-cylinder loyalist, returns to lead Ram. His first move? Bring back the Hemi V8. And like clockwork, the TRX rises from the dead. That's right, the king is coming back.
Truck fans in America, they're loyal to the bone. When Ram killed the V8 while Ford and Chevy kept theirs, fans felt betrayed. Sales dropped hard. Kuniskis even admitted it. He apologized in a commercial saying, "We got it wrong, and now we're fixing it." And reintroducing the TRX? That's not just fixing, it's a power play to take back bragging rights. If you're still watching, you clearly love trucks. Do me a favor, hit that like button so more gearheads see this. Now, back to the beast. Underneath, the TRX is built on the same beefed-up chassis as the RHO, so reviving it, pretty straightforward. Expect some tweaks for more rigidity, maybe a few design updates to match Ram's latest lineup, but otherwise, it'll feel like the TRX never left. And yes, it's packing the Hellcat 6.2-liter supercharged V8. The old TRX had 702 horsepower. This time, rumors point to a detuned version of the 797 horsepower Red Eye. Whatever number they land on, you can bet Ram wants to crush the Raptor R's 720 horsepower record. Right now, the Ford Raptor R is the only true rival. Sure, Chevy's ZR2 and GMC's AT4 bring V8s to the table, but they're nowhere near this level of power. Here's the catch. The last TRX started at just over $98,000, and the final edition hit nearly $120,000. The new one? Expect a six-figure sticker, likely between $110,000 and $120,000. For comparison, Ford's Raptor R already starts at $112,000. So yeah, it's not cheap. But if you want the apex predator of trucks, you're paying top dollar. The Ram TRX was gone for over a year, but not forgotten. Now, with the Hellcat roaring back, updated styling, and a shot at reclaiming the horsepower throne, it's ready to take its crown again. Question: how do you like the new TRX? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and before you go, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the full reveal when it drops. Until next time, stay powerful, and I'll catch you in the next one.